Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the monitor native resolution and refresh rate. Open Windows Display Settings and look for 3440 x 1440 or your monitor's listed value. Check the refresh rate and note whether it says 60Hz, 75Hz, or higher. Inspect the cable connection and identify if it is DisplayPort or HDMI 2.0, as older HDMI cannot always carry ultra-wide signals. Finally, update your graphics drivers from the GPU vendor website before proceeding with changes. Open your GPU control panel for NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to set resolution directly. Select the monitor and choose 3440 x 1440 at the correct refresh rate, for example 60Hz or 100Hz. If the native option is missing, create a custom resolution using the control panel's custom mode tool. Apply the new mode and test it. Windows may prompt to keep changes within 15 seconds. Prefer DisplayPort connections for higher bandwidth and stable ultra-wide performance over older HDMI cables. If resolution still fails, reset monitor settings using the on-screen menu to clear custom modes. Try a different high-speed DisplayPort cable or a certified HDMI 2.0 cable to eliminate bandwidth limits and signal issues. Use the GPU control panel's edit override or driver tools only if you understand risks. Reinstall or roll back GPU drivers if problems began after an update. As a final step, contact the monitor manufacturer with model and firmware information for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.